असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, this is Mahinder. Today we are going to solve exercise 2.4 problems. Let us start with problem number 1. To get the question, determine which of the following polynomials has x plus 1 as a factor. So we have to verify whether these polynomials having x plus 1 as a factor or not. So how will we check? Yes, we have factor theorem. What is the factor theorem? I am going to write here. By factor theorem, if p of x is a polynomial, then x plus 1 is a factor if p of minus 1 equals to 0. So p of x is a polynomial, then x plus 1 is a factor if p of minus 1 is equals to 0. Okay, right. So this statements I have made according to this question. Okay, right. Look at the first one. What is the p of x given? P of x is equals to x cube minus x square minus x plus 1. Okay. So x plus 1 is a factor if p of minus 1. Why I am taking minus 1 here? Look at here. So this x plus 1 is also a polynomial. Okay. Right. So if you want to solve x here, x plus 1 polynomial, what we do here? X plus 1 equal to 0 we take. So x becomes minus 1. Okay. Nothing but in this polynomials we are keeping the minus 1 in place of x. Nothing but finding the polynomial value. Okay. So if the polynomial value is 0, then we say that x plus 1 is a factor, as well as this minus 1 is the 0 of that polynomial. Okay, right. There is an internal relation between the polynomial value and 0 of the polynomial and factor. Okay, you need to catch that. Right. So now p of minus 1 cube minus of minus 1 whole square minus of minus 1 plus 1. Right. So what becomes minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 minus into minus 1 into minus 1 minus into minus plus 1 plus 1 as 0. Okay. It becomes minus 1 minus of 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is nothing but minus 2 plus 2. These two gets cancelled. 0 we got. Okay. So p of minus 1 we got 0, isn't it? Right. Now what we can say is this x plus 1 is the factor of this polynomial. Okay, right down here. So x plus 1 is a factor of x cube minus x square minus x plus 1. Okay, as well as this minus 1 is the 0 of the polynomial p of x. Okay, p of x nothing but this polynomial. Okay, so actually here ask this one only, so no need to write this. Okay, right, enough for this one. Next we go for second problem. Same, we have to substitute in place of x minus 1, but polynomial changes. Okay, second one, x power 4 minus x cube plus x square minus x plus 1. Okay, right. So take p of minus 1. Already I told. Okay. Minus 1 power 4 minus of minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square minus of minus 1 plus 1. Isn't it? Right. So this becomes minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, and this one minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 plus minus 1 into minus 1 minus into minus plus 1, it is plus 1. Okay, right. So this is nothing but 1 and this is nothing but minus 1, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. Okay, so minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. Right. So this becomes 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay. So 1 minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, nothing but 4 minus 1, 3 is. So what we got? P of minus 1 is equals to 3 we got. So 1 minus 1, 1. Sorry. Yes, we have done a mistake here. 1 is minus 1, minus minus 1 plus 1 it is. And 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, isn't it? Plus 5 is 1 minus of minus 1, and this one from here, this one from there. Okay, right. So answer is 5. So P of minus 1 we got 5. Okay, right. This is not equals to 0. It means if it is 0, which one? If P of minus 1 is 0, nothing but polynomial value at x equals to minus 1 is 0, then we can say that x plus 1 is a factor. It is not equal to 0. We got here 5. That is why x plus 1 is not a factor of x power 4 minus x cube plus x square minus 1 plus 1, isn't it? Right. As well as we can say this minus 1 is not a 0 of this polynomial, isn't it? Right. So I am going to erase this. Now take another polynomial. This is third one. What is the question? X power 4 plus 2x power cube, 2x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 1. Okay, right. Substitute in place of x minus 1 from this statement. So minus 1 power 4 plus 2 into minus 1 cube plus 2 into minus 1 square plus of minus 1 plus 1. So what becomes? Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 plus 2 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 plus 2 into minus 1 into minus 1 plus into minus minus 1 plus 1. Okay, is it clear? Right. Now it becomes 1. How? Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. Okay, right. Plus 2 into this becomes minus 1. You know that, and 2 into 1 minus 1 plus 1. So 1 plus into minus minus 2 it is, 2 into 1 minus 2 plus 2 into 1 2 minus 1 plus 1. So we check once again, 1 2 of minus 1 plus 2 into 1 minus 1 plus 1 as it is. So 1 minus 2 plus 2 minus 1 plus 1. These two gets cancelled and these two gets cancelled. Remaining is 1. So we got P of minus 1 is equals to 1. Now what we can say? It is not equal to 0. Okay, if it is 0, then x plus 1 is a factor. But we got here 1. So what we can say now? So x plus 1 is not a factor of x power 4 plus 2x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 1. Isn't it? Right. So x plus 1 is not a factor of this polynomial, as well as you can say this minus 1 is not a 0 of this polynomial. Okay? Right. Next. Fourth one. So given p of x is equals to x cube minus x square minus of 3 minus root 3 into x plus root 3. Okay, right. So we have to take p of minus 1 whole cube minus of minus 1 whole square minus 3 minus root 3 into minus 1 plus root 3. Okay, is it clear? Yes. Minus 1 whole cube minus of minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus root 3 minus 1 plus 2. Very good. Next, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 minus of minus 1 into minus 1 minus of, so minus into minus plus 3 minus root 3 as this plus root 3. Do we get this? So minus into minus plus 1 into 3 minus root 3 as it is. Okay, nothing changes. So what becomes? Minus 1 minus of minus into minus plus 1 plus 3 minus root 3 plus root 3. This is nothing but, once again I am writing one more step, minus 1 minus 1 plus 3 minus root 3 plus root 3. These two gets cancelled and it becomes minus 2 plus 3, nothing but 1. So p of minus 1 we got 1. Okay, so this is not equals to 0 we got. So what you can say? X plus 1 is not a factor of x cube minus x square minus 3 minus root 3 into x plus root 3. Okay, as well as you can say this minus 1 is not a 0 of this polynomial. Okay, now the first one, which is x cube minus x square plus minus x plus 1, is the only having the x plus 1 as a factor. Remaining these three are not having the x plus 1 as a factor. Okay, right. Pause the video. By the notes.